Before we begin coding, let's take a few minutes and discuss what React is and how it helps us create better applications. React is a JavaScript library for building dynamic and interactive user interfaces. It was created at Facebook in 2011 and is currently the most widely used JavaScript library for front-end development. So if you're looking for a job as a front-end developer, you should know how to confidently build applications with React. But why was React created? Well, as you probably know, when a web page is loaded in a browser, the browser takes the HTML code and creates a tree-like structure called the Document Object Model, or the DOM for short. This allows us to use JavaScript and change the page content in response to user actions. For example, we can use JavaScript to hide an element when a button is clicked. This is called vanilla JavaScript, meaning plain JavaScript code without any third-party tools. Now, as our applications grow, working with the DOM can become quite complex and challenging to manage. This is where React comes into play. With React, we no longer need to worry about querying and updating DOM elements. Instead, we describe a web page using small, reusable components, and React will take care of efficiently creating and updating DOM elements. So components help us write reusable, modular, and better organized code. Now let's look at a real-world example. Imagine you want to build a web page like this. On this page, we have a navigation bar on the top, a side panel on the left, and a grid of video games in the main area. We can build each of these sections as separate components. Now, in this grid, each game is displayed in a cart, which is an independent component with a like button. That's another component itself. We can build all these components individually and then combine them to build this page. Essentially, a React application is a tree of components with the app being the root, bringing everything together. All right, that's enough theory for now. Next, we're going to set up our development environment and get a feel for what it's like to build applications with React.